You will be amazed by this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Answer the call to adventure in refined luxury in the Grand Cherokee. It brings rugged versatility, advanced safety features, and passenger-focused technology along on every journey. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, fog lamps, power liftgate, backup camera, wood grain interior trim, heated mirrors, keyless start, satellite radio. Experience the freedom of off-road exploration in the Grand Cherokee. Take a test drive today.